competition, a swim relay, and we're four, total of four participants, and then we're the two of them. Then the other two, we don't know where they at as of the moment, but we're gonna see each other in the pool. Yeah. Today is
Monday.
It's May 4. Yeah, and it's currently 12:17, and then yeah, our swimming is gonna be 1 p.m. later.
So hot, guys.
So hot.
You see our skin right now?
It's very funny why we get to enter into this competition, because we got 100 points in our swimming class, and then we happen to represent our section for the swimming.
I don't even know how to dive.
Yeah, we have to practice. That's why we came early right now. We need to change our outfits. This is an outfit for the day 1 of the PE days. By the way, today is our PE days 2026. So, gonna see you with our swim outfit.
Yes.
Bye! Just the usual wrap or we also have our sunglasses for sun protection, but for the swimming later we're gonna wear our head coats and our sunglasses. Yeah, this is us. Are we gonna win, guys? Predict it. Yeah, we're gonna win this game, man. This is for us, man. We have our sport already. We're built for this. Let's go, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, so cute. Okay, we're going to the pool later. We'll see you in the pool. Bye.
Sige, magkatawa agad.
Warm up, baby, warm up. Like, at least it's not us lang.
Warm up, pinapindi.
Okay? Okay, warm up na, warm up. 1, 2, 3. I'm warm. Are you warm already? Okay. Let's go, guys. That's the swimming pool. We're going to swim over there. From there, going to there. Oh my God, it's a challenge. Do you accept it? Do you accept it? Accepted. Yes, challenge accepted.
Kulbaan ko, breast mo.
Pia! Pia! Sige na, Pia!
Some stroke, and you try to choose what stroke that you're going to swim, right? You have butterfly, backstroke, breaststroke, and freestyle. Maybe some of you choose which is the easiest one. Okay? You got it? Then, second.
Opa. On your mark. Go, B.
Wala man, bisita na, kinuwan, bisita!
Ano naman nanay mo isitag binuwan?
Kasi ito, bisita na. Guys, speaking nga, closing remark pa.
Go, baby! Ginawa, B! Kalimot na buhay pa kami! Laban! Birahan na! Asa na di mong nylon! Ah! Magdali!
Take your time.
B, pag backstroke na, B. Pag backstroke, B. Kabuang ka. Aray ko. Go, baby. Sige, kaya mo yan. Laban! Doon na, hapit na. Isa na lang kalakang. Woo! Backstroke na, B.
Pwede, kunitin ang bira!
Dali na, may gatanaw. Sige.
Sana pre, gaya na pre.
Ge, laban. Go, Carl. Go, Carl. Kana. Diretso. Bawiya. Sikad. Woo! Gaya. Be, mo tabok sa ko dito. Bubbles, baby, bubbles. Do you good? Are you good? Bubbles, baby. Ayaw kalimot o ginhawa. Ah! Go, Sherman! Laban! Sige pa! Gasolina! Woo! Sige! Go, Charmaine! Lagi, hangak po ko video dari day. Laban day! Doon na day! Mana sila? Pikas?
Mana sila?
Go, go. Biraha na lang na, oy. Asa na bag... No, man na day sila. Wait, go, go. Sige, day. Hanga ka, uy, hanga ka, ayo, uy.
Naugan ako, are. Marunong ako rin.
Hanga ka, ayo, uy. Itod ka, itod ka. Fight. Are you okay?
Ha?
You okay? My legs are weak. Yeah, you stretch it like that. Like that. So.
Ang bakit? Wala.
Sige, Day, kay depending champion ka, Day.
Wala. Bigyan naman kayo.
Go, Day. Tukay ka na, tukay.
Tukoy!
Sige, go, Day. Sige na, kuy, dali na. Kapit na. Oh, yun na.
Sige.
Kaya na 1 second.
Touch.
Touch. Go.
Ay, video. Close up, video. Wala, senang.
Senang. Uy, bubbles, Day, bubbles. Bubbling. 1, 2. Bubbles, Day. Bubbles, Day.
Go, bubbles. Say hi, ano, kamera.
Hi, vlog. Medyo kayo following ka.
Bilin, Day.
Bubbles lang. Then, kuha mo head cap.
Kumit, gagos. Gagos, si Bilin. So, tapos malaki.
Good.
Ha?
Yay, very good.
Ay, di uli.
Kasabot sa sige, hindi kayo nag-zigzag ko.
Yeah. Go. 6 minutes ilahang video ay ilahang kuan.
Not bad, right?
Asa man siya? Ito na siya. Wow. Oh. Ari mo dung ko mo.
Nice kalay.
Nice kaki. Palingot na ako. Go, Ki. Kaya mo yan, Ki. Ki. Rabihag. Rabihag motivation ay samgyup. Goki, magsamgyup pa mo. Kaway ako kawat. Thank you. Kaya pa. Nice. Kumusta ba yung swimming? Ikaw, Charmaine? Kapoy. Pero worth it. Worth it ang kapoy. Kaya nakaabot. Importante. Ang importante, nakabubble. Next. Be, ikaw, Be. Kamusta yung experience, Be? Kapoy. Motro pa ka, dili na. Galing isa, chill. Sa may mo experience. Support guys. Ganahan ka mo try. Ni wala.
Okay ra. Ano sa gamay?
Pang kids.
Wala man.
Oh, yes. Very good.
Kasi wala ko isa.
Mag-take your time.
Over.
Yeah. Mag-take your time, Junta. Grabe, ako para mandaan kang Julian. Ugi mo ha. Ugi mo gatong i-mix sa gatong nilinang yan tolo. Plus di pa ning isa. Aray lami siguro ka juga gatong agi.